Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, I'm going to explain how to share items in Google Drive. With that being said, let's begin. To start sharing, I need to right-click or perform a two-finger click if I'm working with a trackpad over my desired item. I would then perform a left click or single finger click over the share button. As can be seen, the share menu has appeared. If I want to share my folder with individual people or with groups within Google, all I have to do is put in the email address of my desired recipient. Then for folders, I can choose to make my recipients editors, which means that they can organize, add, and edit files, or I could make them viewers, which means they could simply view documents within the folder. After I have made my selection, I could write a message if I so desired, and then I would click the blue send button in order to give the other individual access. If I don't wish to share this way, all I have to do is click cancel. As can be seen, I have another option for sharing my folder. This option is underneath the Get Link section. Right now, my folder is restricted. Only people who have access to it can open the folder. If I click Change to Anyone with the Link, the folder defaults to that anyone with the link can be a viewer. I can change this option to make anyone with the link an editor. This can be useful depending upon the needs of a project. In certain institutions, if you click the drop-down arrow, you will see that there are more options than anyone with the link or restricted. For example, within a school, a link could be made accessible only to individuals within that school's Google domain. Depending upon the nature of a project, this can be very useful. When you have made your desired sharing selections, all you have to do is click the blue Done button. These features are nearly exactly the same for files, with one notable difference. When adding in an individual within a file, there is another option for the permissions they can have. They can become commenters, where they will be able to add in comments via the comment boxes in the Google file. This can be very useful depending upon the nature of the project. When clicking on Change to Anyone with the link, the same option is available to make anyone with the link a commenter. Once you have made your desired selections, just remember to click the blue Done button. This will maintain your preferred customization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.